Now you can see that that is a big connector LCD, and that is a big connector LCD, that is for LGG2. Now I will test that LCD with the help of this small connector PCB. Let's first install the battery. That will go here like that, and then the PCB. This will go like that, and then adjust this digitizer cable down, and this one will like that, and settle all thing down. Now connect the LCD connector. Make sure that the connector will go perfectly. You can see that there is no click, that's why I will line. Now it is connected. Now I will connect the battery. Now battery is connected. You can as because the connectors are different, we cannot connect this digitizer and this digitizer with the mainboard. As the connector is big, I cannot connect this digitizer and this digitizer. Let's see whether it is boot up or not. Press and hold this power button, and let's see the display. Okay. Now the LG logo comes. Now it is booted up. As you can see, the digitizer connector is not connected, that's why the touch is not working, but you can see that the LCD is working. You can see that it is nicely connected. I can still see that the color reproduction is very good, so we can see that that is a perfect in working. Now I will disconnect this cable from here and this cable from here, and then lift off this motherboard, and then the battery out. So you can see that that is okay. Now I will label it stacked like that and write OK tested. Touch not. Now it is small connector. Now I will put that inside this. And then back to this. Done.